It's just March, and it's as of now been a serious year for trucks. January's Detroit Auto Show saw the uncovers of the 2019 Ram 1500, 2019 Ford Ranger and the 2019 Chevy Silverado. The Chicago Auto Show brought new forms of the Toyota Tacoma and Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Today, we at last got our first take a gander at the Silverado's twin, the 2019 GMC Sierra. The truck includes new styling, another diesel motor and, on the Sierra Denali, a carbon fiber bed. Similarly as with each new full estimate truck, the Sierra is bigger than the active model in relatively every measurement, however correct measurements haven't been uncovered. For reference, however, the Chevy Silverado's bed is 7 inches more extensive than previously. The new Sierra grille is more upright than previously and includes new C-molded lighting. The Denali gets LED headlights, taillights and mist lights. Both SLT and Denali trims get one-of-a-kind 22-inch wheels.